How to get App Store back on iPhone. To get started, notice that the App Store is missing from the home screen. This is usually caused by a restriction setting, which can be easily reversed. To begin, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down the page and tap on the Screen Time option. In the Screen Time menu, scroll down the list until you find Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap on it. On the following screen, select iTunes and App Store Purchases. Next, tap on the Installing Apps option. When you're on the Installing Apps page, you can see here that it is currently set to Don't Allow. To change this, simply tap on the Allow option. Now, return to your home screen. The App Store icon is now restored and visible. Following these steps, you can easily get the App Store back on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.